14:07 with 7 minutes past 2, and Rudy's getting a bit of water. Cameras on my helmet, and there's Giorgio. Animale. Unfortunately, we've got I've got the Garmin back, which is great, although it's reading pretty weird, you know, like it's saying sections of 10% when we're heading out over there to the Croce d'Aune, which is spelled A-U-N-E, Croce d'Aune, Cross of Aune, and I believe it's been. Hanno fatto un giro, sì.
Giro Gran Fondi.
It's featured in the Giro d'Italia and Gran Fondi.
Il Gran Fondo di Feltre è quello del Campagnolo.
Yeah.
Sponsorizzato da Campagnolo.
So the Campag Gran Fondo. Hopefully we won't get rained on, but and I hope that I don't get too much water on the screen, on the lens. And we're going to Peravena, yay! For some beer.
Queste montagne più
Sì.
avanti sono le vette.
Yeah, what happened to summer? Che è successo l'estate oggi? Niente, sono andato via.
L'estate?
Yeah.
No, hanno le previsioni di occhio, le previsioni dicevano acqua oggi.
Ah.
Se non hai preso fino adesso acqua, è già un miracolo.
Zorzoi. There you go, Passo Croce d'Aune.
8 km.
8 k's of climbing left. What do you reckon, Corv? You excited about 8 more k's of climbing? Corv, we've done nearly 1,600 metres of climbing in 40 k's. You wouldn't do that in Adelaide. See. Huh?
Adesso lungo il percorso hai visto giù che c'erano delle specie di tettoie capanne.
Ok.
Sotto ci sono i lavatoi del 1400 e del 1500 dove le donne andavano a lavare il bucato.
He reckons there's some pretty old buildings up ahead. As far as I could work out what he said. He did. Se voi stasera, se abbiamo in 5 minuti, proviamo a metterla nel computer e vediamo come si sente voce e film, 1-2-3 minuti. Settle into a decent gear. No, Giorgio, stiamo insieme più o meno. Asilo infantili. Infantile. That means just young kids, not infantiles and dodos. There's the OPC, Astra, an old one.
Se non passi di qua saranno penso almeno 6-7 anni.
See, good. He knows some of the best roads. That's why I'd want to do professional tours with him. You know, people would pay for this sort of stuff, mate. I tell you, they'd pay good money.
Right at the moment.
Toughen up, son.
Right hard or right home.
Yeah.
Lovely view.
Buongiorno. Gee, enough firewood there. Look at. I just love the greenery and little plots of land here and there, farms, growing things. We haven't seen any cows, or I suppose there wouldn't be any cows around. It's not. Canna. I'm still in a very small gear, so I can't be bothered changing, because hopefully Watch where I'm going. I am so effing happy to be here, and I hope Mick can forgive me for going away without her, but actually I think it would have been great if Mick and Bev were, and Alan was here with Andrea, if they could be in one car following us. Left. Croce de Un. That's where we're going. What a difference. Cool, I'd get off that big chain ring if I were you. You're on the big ring. You're on the big ring. Put it in a granny gear and just spin it. It's all over after this. He reckons the last 2 Ks are the killers.
Yeah, thanks. I really needed to know that. Now I'm starting to feel hungry.
Don't effing swear. Thank you. Oh, yeah, Valentina. Oops.
From Australia.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, and that blonde chick from... how about the hostess, the blonde hostess? Or the Greek chick? But anyway, where are we? We digress. Yeah, it's been an absolute dream come true to be here and experience this and to feel like this. Passo de Croce de Un.
Passo de curva.
Yeah, there he is, he's behind us. If we keep it at this speed, he should be able to hold up. This is pretty easy, I reckon. It's not hard at all. I think it's saving it up for the last 2 Ks, could. Yeah. No, the accurate way to look at it is in the 40 Ks that I actually got this Garmin to work. So we've done climbing before that. We would have been climbing well before that. So it would have been maybe say 1800 meters of climbing in 60 Ks or something. I don't know. But it's only since I've been able to switch it on that I could actually read anything here. Starting to get harder now. Just started. Hurry up. Get the mic out of the way. Oh. Essential breathing. Look at these wood supplies. Yeah, see all this thing. Oh, what's this? Is it church? Beautiful colours. Oh. %, 10k an hour. 12%. 13. Oh. 12%. No one there. They're a fair way back. Oh, bit of welcome relief for a short distance. Some very welcome relief. I hope I can make it on the food that I've got, which is nothing. I'm running out. So let's hope we don't run into hunger flat. I think I should switch off.